So beautiful this place. Yeah. Butterfly and nature little bit. Looks so good. People are enjoying here, you see. Nice. So beautiful. So many different colorful butterfly and size, medium, small, tiny and large. There is flowers, nature flowers, I don't know this flower name. So beautiful. If you go other side, if you go left, behind left side there is butterfly museum. Yeah, but I like here because this is more nature. In the museum there is very few butterflies. Here is better. Relax, enjoying fresh, peace of mind. Playing with the butterfly. Yeah. Wow. There you see it. This is in Queen City, near Queen City Park Museum. It's a beautiful park. There is forest, like a forest. So make decoration so beautiful and nice, really attractive. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video. Have a good day. Bye bye guys. Wow. Wow. So beautiful. Beautiful flower. Awesome.